my little brother and my mom, and this is Big Brother, and this is my dad, and this is Tatum. So let's go and see. All my sisters and brothers are in my room. So let's go. Let's go to my room. 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 Dad! Oh, I got it, Dad. So here is upstairs. Let's lock it. Before my little brother can't come up. It's very sunny today. It's no snow. So here is my bedroom. You like it, everyone? Welcome. It's my introducement. Nobody can't come in. So here is a little bed. And here is a little baby bed. This is another bed. And what else? Okay, here's my stuff. So here's my mirror. You can see the camera. So these are all my Legos I built in a video. But this one right here, I didn't do in a video. Either that one. But the other one I did. And my face. Thank you. I introduced myself again. So, you like it, everyone? Thank you. Bye.